On 18 June 2023, Titan, a submersible operated by OceanGate, an American tourism and expeditions company, imploded during its descent in the North Atlantic Ocean, about 320 nautical miles, 590 km, off the coast of Newfoundland, Canada. The submersible, carrying 5 people, was part of an expedition to view the wreck of the Titanic. Communication with Titan was lost 1 hour and 45 minutes into its dive. Authorities were alerted when it failed to resurface at the scheduled time later that day. After a search lasting nearly 80 hours, a remotely operated underwater vehicle, ROV, discovered a debris field containing parts of Titan about 500 meters, 1,600 ft, from the bow of the Titanic. The search area was informed by the United States Navy's USN sonar detection of an acoustic signature consistent with an implosion around the time communications with the submersible ceased, suggesting the pressure hull had imploded while Titan was descending, resulting in the instantaneous deaths of all 5 occupants. The search and rescue operation was conducted by an international team led by the United States Coast Guard, USCG, USN, and Canadian Coast Guard. One support was provided by aircraft from the Royal Canadian Air Force and United States Air National Guard, a Royal Canadian Navy ship, as well as several commercial and research vessels and ROVs. Numerous industry experts had raised concerns about the safety of the vessel. OceanGate executives, including its CEO Stockton Rush, one of the fatalities in the implosion, had not sought certification for Titan, arguing that excessive safety protocols hindered innovation. 4. Titan was a 5-person submersible vessel operated by OceanGate Inc. The 6.7-meter-long, 22 ft, 10,432 kg, 23,000 lb vessel was constructed from carbon fiber and titanium. 11. The entire pressure vessel consisted of 2 titanium hemispheres, 2 matching titanium interface rings connected by the 142 km, 56 in internal diameter, 2.4 meter long, 7.9 ft carbon fiber wound cylinder. 12. Of the titanium hemispherical end caps was fitted with a 380 m diameter, 15 in acrylic window. 13. In 2020, Rush said that the hull, originally designed to reach 4,000 m below sea level 14, had been downgraded to a depth rating of 3,000 m 9,800 ft after demonstrating signs of cyclic fatigue. In 2020 and 2021, the hull was repaired or rebuilt. 15. Rush told the Travel Weekly editor-in-chief that the carbon fiber had been sourced at a discount from Boeing because it was too old for use in the company's airplanes. 16. Boeing stated they have no records of any sale to Rush or to OceanGate. 17. A picture of Logitech F710, the game controller used aboard Titan. A Logitech F710 wireless game controller. A modified version was used to steer Titan. Titan could move at up to 3 knots, 5.6 km/h, 3.5 mph, using 4 electric thrusters, arrayed 2 horizontal and 2 vertical. 18. Its steering controls consisted of a Logitech F710 wireless game controller with modified analog sticks. The use of commercial off-the-shelf game controllers is not particularly unusual among vehicles such as submarines that need more than just a steering wheel to control. 19-20-21. OceanGate claimed on its website as of 2023 that Titan was designed and engineered by OceanGate in collaboration with experts from NASA, Boeing, and the University of Washington, UWU. 22A1/3 scale model of the Cyclops 2 pressure vessel was built and tested at the Applied Physics Laboratory, a PL, at UW. The model was able to sustain a pressure of 4,285 psi, 29.54 MPa, 291.6 atm, corresponding to a depth of about 3,000 m, 9,800 ft. 23. After the disappearance of Titan in 2023, UW claimed the APL had no involvement in design, engineering, or testing of the Titan submersible. A Boeing spokesperson also claimed Boeing was not a partner on the Titan and did not design or build it. A NASA spokesperson said that NASA's Marshall Space Flight Center had a Space Act agreement with OceanGate, but did not conduct testing and manufacturing via its workforce or facilities. 22. According to OceanGate, the vessel contained monitoring systems to continuously monitor the strength of the hull. 11. The vessel had life support for 5 people for 96 hours. 11. There is no GPS underwater. The support ship, which monitored the position of Titan relative to its target, sent text messages to Titan providing distances and directions. 24. According to OceanGate, Titan had 7 backup systems intended to return the vessel to surface in case of emergency, including ballasts that could be dropped, a balloon, and thrusters. Some of the backup systems were designed to work even if all aboard the submersible were unconscious, such as sandbags held by hooks that dissolve after a certain number of hours in salt water. Ideally, this would release the sandbags, allowing the vessel to float to the surface. 25-26 An OceanGate investor explained that if the vessel did not automatically ascend after the elapsed time, those inside could help release the ballast either by tilting the ship back and forth to dislodge it or by using a pneumatic pump to loosen the weight.